Good morning, YouTube. What's happening, guys? Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to Rules for Rebels. Today, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 best cryptocurrency affiliate programs. As always, I'd like to get you guys involved. I'd like to get you guys sharing your knowledge as well. So if any of you guys are affiliate marketers, bloggers, are involved in the crypto space, have had any luck with cryptocurrency affiliate programs, if there's a program that you really liked and you'd like to share with your fellow rebels, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what it is. I have kind of 3 of my top ones that I'm going to share. I'm also going to share a list of some other cryptocurrency affiliate programs you can get involved with. And lately, I don't know why, but I've been seeing a lot of interest. You know, when I look on Quora and Reddit, and even in my YouTube comments and emails, I'm getting a lot of questions from people who are, what's the best cryptocurrency affiliate program? For whatever reason, a lot of people are rushing out to get involved in affiliate marketing with the crypto space, which is kind of interesting to me because overall the markets have been kind of dead for a while. One thing that's of a special interest to me is this new cryptocurrency exchange that's coming out and the affiliate program that they have going on. This affiliate program pays $25 per sign up, which is really, really good. And another kind of benefit is when you get somebody to sign up for this new cryptocurrency exchange, they get $25 on the exchange for signing up. You get $25 for referring them. So it's mutually beneficial. Anybody who's involved in crypto, you're essentially giving them 25 bucks and you're also getting 25 bucks out of it as well. Now, this cryptocurrency exchange is called Voyager. It's got some big names behind it. One of the co-founders of Uber, so they have kind of a founder with some technology background, and also I think an executive or one of the founders of E-Trade, so they also have kind of the finance end of it covered. Again, it's going to be a no-fee cryptocurrency exchange. And supposedly they're going to bring like an institutional grade platform to a mobile app. They're going to be kind of competing with Robinhood. I'm not sure if you're actually going to be able to send crypto on and off the platform. That's one of the things that people criticize about Robinhood. But this does seem to be a pretty cool and pretty promising exchange. Here's kind of their landing page. Earn $25 in Bitcoin for signing up early, and $25 for each friend that opens an account. So basically, I wound up signing up. When you sign up for the exchange, you're going to have to first sign up for an account with Voyager to get your affiliate link. They actually say email them and they'll give you the affiliate link. Actually, after you sign up for the exchange, they're going to send you an email that says, hey, welcome to the affiliate program. So I've only posted this in one place. I posted it on my YouTube community section. Already got 11 referrals, made 300 bucks off of it. Again, the exchange isn't live yet, but as soon as the exchange goes live, this money will be put into my account. But $25 per sign up is really good. One thing that we talk about a lot with affiliate marketing is affiliate programs always start out really, really good, right? Affiliate programs, when a company is new and they're trying to get their name out there and they're trying to grow, they're going to be really generous with their affiliate program. I remember back when Netflix was still doing DVDs by mail, was still a new company. Now Netflix and chill, everyone's got a Netflix account. Back then, Netflix wasn't nearly as popular. Netflix was trying to grow. So they would actually give you, I think it was $24.95 or $24 per sign up, no credit card required. It was a cash cow. It was a really easy way to make money. And then eventually, they started cutting commissions and it went to 20 bucks, then 17, then 14. And then eventually they essentially ended the affiliate program for everybody but like the huge top affiliates. And I think they may still be going today, but, essentially the affiliate program has been ended. I've talked about how I was doing well with AliExpress. I made $800 my first month, was making good money for a while. And then they took their cookie period from 30 days to 7 days, which, okay, wasn't too bad. We can work with it. Still making money. Well, then they took the cookie period from 7 days to 24 hours. Okay, fine. That's what Amazon has. That's kind of standard. Then they made it session-based, which what session-based means is if you send me over to AliExpress.com to buy a cell phone or something, if I close out that browser, my you're not going to get the commission for it if I come back later and buy it. Whereas with a 24-hour cookie or a 7-day cookie, if I come back and buy something within a week, you're going to get credit for that sale. So, right now this Voyager affiliate program is starting out really strong. I think it's a great opportunity to make money for anybody in the crypto space. Once the exchange comes out, you could start making some videos on your phone showing people how to use the exchange, showing an overview of the exchange, doing a review of the exchange, and then drop your affiliate link in these. And, every time somebody comes and signs up, somebody hears about Voyager, they're curious, they come check it out, they use your link, you get 25 bucks. Somebody doesn't know how to use the exchange, they watch your tutorial about how to use it, they sign up, you get 25 bucks. So that's only one of the affiliate programs I wanted to talk about. Like I said, a lot of people are seeming to have an interest in cryptocurrency affiliate marketing, which is really kind of odd to me because crypto has been kind of dead, kind of boring. There hasn't been a lot of interest for, pretty much since the beginning of the year. And what's kind of funny to me, I was doing cryptocurrency affiliate marketing last year. I was also selling cryptocurrency t-shirts. And one thing that was really funny to me is when the crypto markets go up, I'd start seeing a lot of affiliate sales. I'd be selling a lot of t-shirts. And then when the market dives down, t-shirt sales dry up, affiliate signups dry up, market goes back up, you get some interest again, t-shirt sales start going, affiliate sales are good, up, market falls off a cliff, everything kind of dies off. So right now, to be quite honest, there's not a whole lot of interest in crypto, which kind of surprises me why a lot of people are wanting to rush into this space. But one interesting thing is because not a lot of people are blogging about crypto and everything else, making YouTube videos about it, right now may not be a bad time to get started when everyone else is kind of off doing other things. And if crypto makes a comeback, towards the end of the year here or early next year, hopefully you'll have a foothold, you'll have some YouTube ranking, some Google SEO, and you'll be able to kind of clean up off some of these people rushing back into crypto. Last year, 2017, we saw everybody and their mom getting involved in the Coinbase affiliate program and other cryptocurrency affiliate marketing. We saw a lot of YouTubers and bloggers who really had no experience in crypto, previously had no interest in crypto. All of a sudden, everybody was making, here's how to sign up for your Coinbase account, get $10 free, and I could get $10. You started seeing all these YouTubers and stuff rushing into crypto who really didn't know anything about crypto, but were just trying to cash in on the affiliate craze. And the Coinbase affiliate program was an interesting one. Very similar to Voyager. If you bring over a new user and they deposit $100, they get $10 free. So for their $100, they get $110. For you bringing them over, you get $10. And one of the things I liked about Coinbase was not only did Coinbase essentially have a monopoly on crypto to fiat and fiat to crypto back then, but also it's a big recognizable name. People know them, people trust them, so it's easy to convert sales. Whereas if you were to do Coin Mama or some smaller affiliate program, people are like, oh, I haven't heard of these guys. Do I really want to put in my credit card? Coin Mama, I think, was only working in like 14 states at the time. Anyhow, what I'm getting to here is for any of you guys looking for, maybe a new niche to get into, for any of you guys who've been thinking about getting into cryptocurrency affiliate marketing, I wanted to share my top 3 affiliate programs. And I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a list of a number of other ones. So, Coinbase, is probably going to be my number 1. In some ways, I would say I think Coinbase might be one of the most popular affiliate programs of all time. I know obviously Amazon Associates is probably the biggest one. But again, the amount of YouTubers and bloggers and everybody that was super excited, last November, last December about cryptocurrency. Everybody started making videos. Coinbase was an incredibly popular affiliate program. They actually used to be more generous than they are now. I think at one time they were offering $20 or maybe even $25 per sign up. It's at 10. It stayed at 10 for the last couple years. A lot of people already have Coinbase accounts. A lot of people have already bought some Bitcoin. But in terms of overall adoption, it's still a very, very small percentage of people who have bought cryptocurrency. So if crypto gets another rush and the interest kind of rushes back into crypto, giving people Coinbase an easy way to enter the crypto markets is an easy way to get them 10 free bucks and make yourself some money as well. So that's probably one of my top cryptocurrency affiliate programs. My next one is Binance. Binance has an interesting affiliate program. It's actually gone downhill a little bit. And like we said, cryptocurrency or affiliate programs always start out really generous and they always kind of start to go downhill. But initially, Binance was, the hot new exchange. Not a lot of people had it, so it was easy to get people to sign up. You would get 50% of their trading commissions for life. And so what that means is if somebody comes and signs up, every time they make a trade, whatever Binance makes off the commission on that trade, they would kick you back 50%. It's since been dropped down to 20%. It's still kind of good. I like recurring commissions. I like lifetime income. So if I bring somebody over to Binance and they trade on Binance for the next 10 years, even though it's only 20%, I am going to be getting 20% of their trading fees for the next 10 years. Binance, I believe right now is a top cryptocurrency exchange. They have a lot of assets. They kind of do their own ICOs through the platform, though it's been a while since they've done that. But a Binance affiliate program is another one of my top ones. And one kind of theme you may notice here is my favorite programs tend to be the bigger name ones. You know, a lot of times the more obscure names may tend to pay a little bit more in commission, but you as an affiliate marketer, essentially you're trying to get a sale or a sign up. And when it's smaller companies, when it's companies people haven't heard of, they're not as trusting, they're not as quickly to sign up. When it's a big, well-known company, you know, people know kind of what they're getting involved with. So Coinbase and Binance affiliate programs are easy ones to get people to sign up for. The next one is one that I've already kind of talked about, and it's Voyager. It looks to be an interesting exchange. Should be coming out soon. It's new, so you can kind of get in at kind of the ground floor of this opportunity. Nobody has a Voyager account as of yet. And what I think is really cool about this one is whoever you send over, like, you have something to offer them. They're getting $25 in free Bitcoin, and then you're also getting $25, which is actually a pretty huge commission in the world of affiliate marketing, considering that a lot of people are on Amazon Associates making, 4% of, $10 phone cases, which is a couple cents. You're getting $25 whole for a sign up. So if you guys want to sign up for Voyager, I'd appreciate it if you'd use my affiliate link. I'll drop it in the description box below this video or in my blog post that I wrote kind of about crypto affiliate programs. I have a link in there as well, or you can click right here. Other notable mentions, some other affiliate programs that I've had luck with have been the Trezor and the Ledger affiliate programs. The Trezor and Ledger are Bitcoin or cryptocurrency hardware wallets, probably the two best or the two biggest names in hardware wallets. And when I first got my Trezor, I just got it for personal use, but, I was a little bit confused about how to get it set up. So I figured out how to get it set up. And then I made some YouTube videos showing how to set up your Trezor, as well as doing reviews of Trezors. That wound up getting some good signups. Both the Trezor and the Ledger affiliate programs pay you out in cryptocurrency, which is pretty cool as well. My one beef with the Trezor affiliate program is they have a really high payout threshold. It's been a while since I logged into my account, but at one time I think you needed $600 to be able to cash out. Kind of how like Google AdSense makes you have $100 before you can cash out. The Trezor affiliate program at one point had like a $600 payout threshold, which really makes no sense because they're paying you in Bitcoin and it costs next to nothing to send it to you. But that's kind of my one beef about that program. I also wanted to link you guys to 99 Bitcoin's list of affiliate programs where they also review them. When I was into cryptocurrency affiliate marketing, I'd often come over here to find affiliate programs. Run CPA is kind of an affiliate network like AdSense. Local Bitcoins, that's kind of a Craigslist for Bitcoin trading. They have an affiliate program. Coinbase, CoinMama, which we mentioned, Paxful, another exchange. Bitpanda, Bitbond, Trezor, Ledger, they have two of my favorites there. I haven't really heard of any of these. Binance, a good one. But they kind of talk about how the affiliate programs work, kind of review them, things like that. So if any of you guys are interested in getting into cryptocurrency affiliate marketing, I will link to my blog post below. From there, again, you can check out my favorites as well as follow this link to 99 Bitcoins, where they have some other affiliate programs mentioned. And as always, I'd like to get you guys involved as well. If you guys have had any success with cryptocurrency affiliate marketing, you want to share it with your fellow rebels, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what program you've had success with. So I know this is kind of out of the blue, guys. I haven't talked about crypto in a while, but heard about this Voyager program. Think it may be an opportunity for you guys to make some money. And for those of you guys who are actually legitimately interested in cryptocurrency, it may be an exchange that you want to check out. But like I said, I was kind of surprised. I've been getting a lot of messages and things asking about cryptocurrency affiliate programs. So figured I'd make this video and share it with you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button below. Trying to get to 100,000 before the end of the year here. That's all I got for you guys today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.